there, Ma Terry, and what are we doing today? Today we are going out in our van. I'm going to show you what the remodel looks like. Why did I remodel it? Because I'm going to be carrying a bunch of packages. I want to donate some stuff to the RTR, and then I'm going to get some stuff out of my storage and bring it home with me to San Diego. So that's why I redid it. That and the where the refrigerator at was driving me crazy. It needs a lot more remodeling, but anyhow, let's go outside and see what I've done to my van so far, and I got to start packing it for the RTR. All right, some assembly required. All right, so welcome to the new interior of my van, and what I'm going to do is, as I rebuild it, I'm going to talk you through it. This is going to make a lot more sense. It's going to be a lot easier, and let me turn around. Let me boop. All right, so back out. All right, so this is all my prep area, all my cooking and stuff, my seasonings, my silverware. That I'm leaving the same. I love it, but the difference is right here are two batteries. My big battery is going to go in the back, and my refrigerator, yay, I'm going to have easy access to it. So I'm going to get that charging up, and quick foods will be up here. So I'm going to do a lot of food here, my health care, and clothes and Miss Lucy's and extra food. I'm packing for 30 days. So let's go over my itty bitty little fridge. This is an Alpacool. I just keep that because it's not turned on right now, and I will fix this up. Basically, that is all Reflectix that I made. I'm not shutting it for a reason. I like this little hoop right here because that's good for soda bottles and tall bottles and everything. Now then, how I'm going to jumpstart it is if I plug it into my big battery in the back, it's going to suck up all that juice. So I'm going to go freeze up a couple of bottles of water, and then tonight when it's really cold or first thing early in the morning, I'm going to plug it in. And yeah, it's a lot better to charge when everything's 30 degrees to get that up to temperature than it's 65 degrees out here and to lower the temperature. So that's how I'm going to lower that. So, you know, you can put ice packs in here, fill it up with really, really cold stuff from an alternate refrigerator or freezer or a big bag of ice. Yeah, or wait until it's 30 degrees out, which is what I'm going to do. All right, so what happened was I had my whole van torn apart, and beautiful weather out, then a downpour happened, so everything got thrown in here real quick, and this got messed up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and repair it with some electrical tape real quick. Should work, and then I'll put it into position. But yeah, we had a big rainstorm come up on us. All right, so the labeling has begun. Proteins, and this is my drawer. These are Loma Linda, fish, chicken, pepperoni, nuts, anything that's a protein goes up here. Drawer number 1, done. No, this is drawer number 1. I mislabeled. All right, my next drawer is breakfast, and all of these is breakfast. There's my roast beef hash. I always love peanut butter and some jelly, morning wraps, diced potatoes, maybe some rice, steel cut oats, sugar-free that, Spam, and breakfast drawer is looking good. Oops, we forgot. What do we have? Jalapeno cheddar grits. Got to have some of them in there. And maybe some breakfast bars. All right, next we have my fruit and veggies drawer. Love it. Love my green beans. Love my corn. There's some rice cauliflower. Looking good for fruit and veggies. All right, next are my instant meals, and basically this is anything I throw in my Hot Logic real quick, my soups, my TV dinners, etc. I will be restocking once I get up to my storage unit in Redlands. Got a lot of soup up there. I love soup. Now, one thing I hope you notice is all the heavy stuff is on the bottom. This is all on the bottom things. I don't want heavy stuff up here. That'll tip over my cart. So heavy stuff on the bottom, really light stuff up there. Got it? Good. All right, so this is my collection of my mini stuff. All right, one's nostalgia. This is the Dash rice cooker, and I have rice right here, instant rice. Okay, so that's my Dash rice cooker, and this is my mini right here, noodle cooker. Now then, as I showed you on other videos, this is a solo stove, which fits on top of my mini, so I can make soups. And this is my percolator coffee pot, which fits on top of my mini. Sorry about the whistling, that's my thing. This is my gripper for my mini, and I don't know why I have a sterno in there, but I do. But that's what's in the drawer marked my mini. There it is right there. There's the heavy fruits and veggies on the bottom. Nothing's in this drawer yet, but that's my mini. It probably weighs about 4 pounds, so that's good. The soup's probably 10 pounds. That's a lot of weight right there. So next what I'm going to do is go outside, find a random box, and put it in a drawer. Alright, so this is my nighttime drawer, and like I said, you always need earplugs. I pack 2 different types of earplugs. Sometimes one works, sometimes they don't. I don't know. I always need chapsticks, nail file. When I move in, my headlamp will fit in here. Really important. Here's my little TV stand for my phone. Cough drops in case I start coughing, moisturizer, and of course when it's hot, I need a baby powder. So these are all things that when I'm stealth camping, I want to be quiet and I want to be able to get to my stuff as quick as possible, and this is my nighttime drawer. Alright, so this is just my morning box. Basically, I brush my teeth, I comb my hair, put on some deodorant, my ears, dental picks, floss, for my braces, Effordent. That's my quick routine in the morning. Do I ever need a mirror? No, I don't need a mirror because I can just reverse my phone and see what I'm doing. Alright, this one's marked colds, but this is an entire waste of space. What it is if I feel like I'm getting a bug, and I haven't, knock wood, been with the flu since 92, first thing is the immune support. I mean, I'm all over it, but probably most of the times it's my allergies, but I just keep this box. This is my lucky box. Alright, this one's labeled bathroom, but I actually have a new poop bucket. Can't wait to show it to you. Okay, these are the liners, the bags. So what kind do we have? We have Tough and Strong 8-gallon trash bags. I don't know where I got that at. $1.99, amazing new value. Alright, that's to hold the bags on. Toilet paper, wipes, and usually I have a stinky spray. It's somewhere. We'll be finding that. Down there I have my large charging cables for my big batteries, so it doesn't take up a lot of space and it's not heavy. So what I'm going to do is move that to over here to a medium-sized drawer. There we go. All right, so the cables are neatly wrapped, neatly tucked away, and when I need them, they'll be there. All right, it is time to put in my cookware. So this is my Hot Logic Mini, but this is 110 volt. When I have a pavilion, or I could use it off the battery. This is my Hot Logic 12 volt, okay? So that and that, I need to secure that. And this is my favorite, my little butane stove, and there is my entire cookware line right there. How I'll secure this is with a bungee cord over here. That one's easy. This is pretty easy. This is just a piece of wood that's taped and glued on and probably screwed on. Well, this Hot Logic go up here and that'll be secured right there. And this Hot Logic just goes right up there. They're not going anywhere. Yay. Cookware secured. All right, and in the back, since I don't use it a lot, is maintenance, and basically it's Velcro, it's going to be clamps, it's cleaning supplies, glues, special 2-part glues, bonding glues, little clamps to hold things together, more mosquito netting. I doubt we'll need that for the winter. Sewing kit, very important, things do fall apart. Next thing I'm going to make is a nut drawer. I go through these because I'm a nervous person, so I love that. Taco Bell's my favorite one. It's the winter. Gotta crack nuts, right? These are my wasabi and soy sauce nuts. All right, why not try that? And we have some cashews, so that's going to be in my nut drawer. Love nuts. What drawer do we have next? We need to fill it a little bit more. We have junk food. So even though it's candy with nuts, it's still junk food. Some licorice, a couple of things of protein, and my favorite, pretzel sticks. Yay! All right, I changed my mind. Instead of it being junk food, I'm going to call it snacks. Yeah, that's what I'm going to call it, snacks. All right, that's better. That was just too much negative connotation for me. Next, I think some clothes. We're going to need some clothes. All right, I cannot find my gray sweatshirt, but these are two, I'll wear a shirt underneath. This can be on top. This is from Donnell. I'm going to have Anne-Marie finish it for me. That is a beautiful scarf. This is a nice afternoon layer. Look, I got my long johns here. These are really thick plush socks, mittens, a thin hat, a very thick hat, a roundabout scarf, and my raincoat, and I'm going to get my really big black coat out next. All right, so this is a 12-gallon tote. Ton of socks in here, lots of hats, scarves, gloves. Believe it or not, you keep your extremities really warm and you stay pretty warm. All my coats are in here and it all fits, so that's pretty cool. All right, so that'll be winter, and all this is cheap masking tape from the Dollar Tree. And for the lettering, I like the Sharpie fine point. It makes it thicker than the ultra fine point and not too thick. All right, so for pants, all I'm going to do is pack 2 pairs of long pants, and these are my cargo pants. These are fleece lined, so these are also my pajama pants. These are really nice early in the morning pants, and just a couple of shirts. All right, as we move up top, we have lighter and lighter. So basically, t-shirts and underwear. There's probably about 7 or 8. I don't have a lot of long sleeve shirts, but they're there in that drawer too. All right, so I have my pants, I have my t-shirts and underwear. Next, I got to get Lucy's clothes. And that box right here fits back here, and so does the battery. And I'll probably stack it like 3 or 4 high, so that'll be nice. Right, next up is Lucy. So I have a reflective vest. That's great for hiking in the desert. That's her raincoat. 1 hat. This hat goes completely over her head, and that keeps her little head warm. These are her nighttime pajamas. These are really nice little nighttime pajamas. Daytime, good luck charm. Nice little sweat thing for her. A little happy camper, that's not too warm. Absolutely gorgeous, warm dress, and she loves wearing it. And this one too keeps her whole top body warm, and she looks good. Oh, and an extra service dog vest. You never know with me. So let's put Lucy's clothes away. All right, thank you everybody. I'm glad that you were here with me today as I built out my van, started adding stuff in. Now tomorrow what I'm going to do is go over some more layers, how I'm going to keep the cab really warm up front. I heard in Quartzsite it's down to 30 degrees. Show you some things that I use to put up quilts, some new things that I use. It'll be exciting. We're almost done packing the van. So please write in the comments below what you thought about it. You know me. Comment, subscribe, like, and share. I'm getting so excited, and we're getting so close to the van being complete. Yay!